Looking for the best marinade injectors? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 marinade injectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Rösle, Stainless Steel Barbecue Marinade Injector. Designed for one-handed operation. Clear plastic body with stainless steel needle and cap plus a molded plunger handle. Needle features cutouts for chunky marinade. Holds 2 ounces with both milliliter and fluid ounce marks. A sturdy option from a well-respected grilling brand based in Germany. No additional needles. No accessories. At number 2. Cave Tools, 2.3 ounce stainless steel meat tenderizer injection syringe kit. Stainless steel body with plastic measurement window. Comes with thick marinade needle, long basting needle, and short precision needle. Smooth release plunger. Comes with replacement O-rings and case. This marinade injector comes with 3 different needles and a storage case. Interior of injector is plastic. Some durability issues. At number 1. OXO Good Grips, Flavor Injector for Meat and Poultry. Made of food-grade Triton plastic. BPA free. Needles are easy to attach or detach even with greasy hands. Comes with thick and thin needles. Grip and plunger are comfortable and easy to use from any angle. Fully disassembles for cleaning. If you're looking for an all-around model that's easy to use and clean, try OXO's. Doesn't come with a case or other extras. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.